Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Dogecoin from Revolut to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're holding Dogecoin on Revolut and want to move it to a more flexible wallet like Trust Wallet for better control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double check for the latest updates since crypto rules can change. First things first, make sure you have both the Revolut app and Trust Wallet installed on your device. Open your Revolut app and log in securely. Head over to the Crypto tab. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Find your Dogecoin balance and tap on it to access the options. Next, select the Send or Withdraw button. This is where you'll need your Trust Wallet address, so switch over to the Trust Wallet app. Open it, go to your Dogecoin wallet, and tap on the Receive button to copy the wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be extra careful when pasting it. Double check for any typos to avoid losing your funds. Back in Revolut, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Review everything one last time, then hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the transaction should process within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Trust Wallet and refresh your Dogecoin balance to see your coins arrive. Congrats! You've successfully transferred your Dogecoin. In 2025, with evolving crypto tech, always use secure connections and enable two-factor authentication for safety. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe and keep building your crypto portfolio.